Hello, everyone. I'm Josh Oakes, and I have a dear friend of mine here, a college student, a freshman that I've known for 4 years now. His name is Brendan Craig. And Brendan, I met 4 years ago. He volunteered at an awesome event we did. He's a very talented person. But what's really awesome is he just built his own personal website at brendancraig.net. Brendan, how you doing?
I'm doing great, Josh.
Hey, thank you so much for spending time with us so that we can build your website. Now, you're a freshman at DePaul University, is that correct?
Yeah, I'm studying, getting my BFA in stage management here at the theater school.
That's awesome. Now, those of you parents that are watching or listening, Brendan is a talented young man. Grew up in Southern California. He's volunteered. All of his little side projects, they have always been productive. I was telling him earlier, all the little things, I'm so proud of him because when I first met him, he had a side business. He started at 13 years old. He's just a hobby, but he turned it into something that helps others, that was productive. And he spent his time doing cool things. It ends up online. So we just built a website for him as a freshman to get that dream internship, because it's not just getting into college, it's also getting that internship, getting that career, and making sure that you shine online. Brendan, what did you think of the process of building your website?
It was so quick and so simple, and Josh you gave me all the tools that I needed to be able to do that, and it's something I've wanted to do for a long time and something you definitely need in whatever profession you're going into to get your name out there. So it was really helpful just to quickly mash it all together, and now I have the tools to keep going with it.
That's awesome. And you're doing so great. So you've got the start and you've got all the things built out. It was easy. It's WYSIWYG. It took us less than an hour. And now you have what you need, and you're online at brendancraig.net, and you can go to the next step. What would you tell other students or parents that are hesitant about building a site?
At this day and age, it's necessary if you want to get big in whatever you want to go for. If you want to reach the dream that you're shooting for, you have to have it, because that's the only way people are going to find you and get to know you.
That's so true. So those of you that are watching, you can go to smartsocial.com to learn how to build your kid a website. There's all kinds of different options, whether you want us to do it for you or whether you just want to watch videos of us doing it for other students. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you to Brendan. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it.